So we're going to get into the second part of this tutorial, and that's basically how to import it in Blender or motion track it. So let's get into that. Let's see, where's Blender? There it is. Okay, you want to automatically delete this. Go to motion tracking. Open the file that I currently want to use. I normally go up here so I can see them, and I've been using this one. Click, and we're going to go prefetch. Takes a second for it to load. Next thing we're going to do is auto detect. We're going to track forward. Now I have this set in the user files as the memory cache is this, so it won't crash, and that's under systems. I just jacked it up, so that's why it's moving kind of faster than normal. Okay, now track it backwards. Go to here. What we're going to do is we're going to solve for camera. We're going to delete these first because these are going to mess up with the camera solve. And we're going to camera solve it. Now, and you're gonna have to watch a tutorial how to set up your lens and your camera. I'm not gonna do that right now for the sake of speed. We're gonna go to we're gonna click that just to open that up for right now. We're gonna do the floor first. You're gonna hit Shift, click, right click, and right click. Excuse me. We're gonna hold Shift, right click, right click, right click, right click, and right click for wall. Probably need to unclick and click these. I'm going to set an origin. And we're going to set background in that. I'm going to play it. So it seems like the camera's moving. I'm going to go up to here. I'm going to select this. We're going to go back to default. We're going to play it. We're going to hit on the control pad 1, 0. Oops, I'll have to be on it. 1, 0. And this should move. And you see how it's moving, and it's gradually going off to the camera, like right here. That means we tracked it. Now we can't see anything on this because we're going to have to delete this. So let it play through, and there we go. I'm going to delete this. I want to delete this cube. I'm going to back it off, and we're going to open up import FBX. I put it on the desktop, I believe. Let's see, we should have called it YouTube-3D. There it is. I'm going to import that. This will take a little bit because it's a pretty big file. Hopefully it doesn't crash on me. Okay, now we got the image, and image here, so it's going to be a little bit bigger, and we're going to have to adjust a few things to make it fit. So what we're going to do is we're just going to play it and see if nothing happens. So we're gonna hit 1, and we notice that the camera is going to be select camera, Okay, so now we got the camera separated, and what we're going to do is we're going to move the camera up because this is a pretty big object. And we're going to hit 1 again, and now the object is here. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit G while that's yellow, drag it up. Okay, so I'm going to hit R to rotate it, and this is basically going to be what I feel is going to look good. Now we need to go back here to shading. Okay, it's transparent, so we're going to play this. And as you see, it's going along with the picture. And the objects here are the bones, and they're just moving along with the video. And this was something that I was trying to do for a long time, but had quite difficulty doing it. I guess the main step I was missing was the last 2 of the motion capturing, the last 2 or 3 steps. I knew how to motion capture basic objects, but since this is a complex object, um, it was making it kind of difficult. Now, of course, you can do what you want. You can change it up, and change it up to where it's um, in the correct position that you want and so forth. And it's just playing around with it. Just remember that this yellow screen is when it's yellow. You can hit G to grab the object, move it around, and which will be like this. Or you can hit while this is yellow. The camera's yellow. Hit R and drag it and position it however you see fit. And that's basically how you do it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you didn't, put in a comment. I'm still new to this Blender, so I may have not done everything perfect, but this is how I got it to work for my projects. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.